This question is a very simple question. It says that a vessel contains 1.6 grams of oxygen and 2.8 grams of nitrogen. Now the temperature is maintained at 300 Kelvin and the volume of the vessel is this much. Find the pressure of the mixture. So basically we have to calculate the pressure. Now we are given number of moles of O2 would be equal to 1.6 divided by 32, right? And number of moles of N2 would be equal to 2.8 divided by of 28. Right, because this is the molecular mass of the gas. Now the temperature is given as 300 Kelvin, right, and the volume is given as 0.166 meter cube. Right, now we have to calculate the pressure. So now this is a very simple question. What we can do is either we can calculate the partial pressure of this gas and the partial pressure of this gas and add them. Right, so there are basically two methods. Although both of them are very simple. Now let us see this method 1, and although both of them represent the same thing only, right? So if I calculate pressure due to N2, this would be equal to N R T divided by V, right? So this would be equal to what? 0.1 divided by of into 8.3. What will be the temperature? This is 300 Kelvin divided by volume. What is the volume? 0.166, right? Similarly, if I talk about PO2, pressure due to O2, this would be equal to what? 0.05 into 8.3 into 300 divided by of 0.166, right? So if we add, pressure would be equal to what? PN2 plus PO2. Now this is one approach, right? The answer will be coming out to be same. Now, if I talk about the method 2 or the second approach, I can very well say that PV is equals to nRT, right? I can apply this for the mixture. This equation is for the mixture. So what we will do is total pressure, right? P into the total volume. What is that? 0.166 is equals to N, where N is the total number of moles, which will be 0.1 plus 0.05. That means the moles of O2 plus moles of N2. This is N2 and this is O2, right? N2 and O2, total number of moles. R, which is 8.3, and what is the temperature? This is 300, right? So from here we will get the value of P. So that would be equal to 0.1 plus 0.05 into 8.3 into 300 divided by of 0.166. So even if you are adding these two and or otherwise you are getting the total pressure by this, you will get the same value, because if we add these two, what we can do is we can take 0.1 plus 0.05 and take 8.3 into 300 divided by 0.166 as common, right? This is the common thing, and so we have to add them. So basically we are getting the same answer by the two approaches, but the only difference is the difference of thinking and the difference of approach. So from both these values, you will get the value as 2250 Newton per meter square. So this would be the